We are less than 6 months until the primary election for the U.S. Senate seat currently held by Thom Tillis. 164 days, 17 hours to be exact. It's expected to be Republican Michael Whatley and former Democratic Governor Roy Cooper on the ballot. Today, Cooper held one of his first events since launching his campaign. WRAL's Monica Casey was there, joining us now live now. Monica, major focus, health care.
That's right, particularly Medicaid and how the federal spending bill could impact it here in North Carolina. Cooper predicts that bill will send health care costs so high that people will decide they cannot afford it and become uninsured.
I'm running for the U.S. Senate because I'm concerned about the cost that everyday families are feeling right now.
During his health care roundtable, former North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper argues the one big beautiful bill will hurt North Carolina, especially when it comes to health care. Medicaid expansion was one of Cooper's biggest accomplishments as governor.
So many people who are working and deserve to have their health insurance qualified are going to get kicked off. And that doesn't have anything to do with waste, fraud, and abuse.
President Trump campaigned on cutting federal spending on things like Medicaid, and North Carolina voted for him. So isn't this what people want in North Carolina? What's your response to that?
The president said he wasn't going to touch Medicaid. So what they've decided to do is to give tax breaks to the wealthiest and to the billionaires and millionaires. And to get that money to do it, they have, in fact, not only touched Medicaid, but taken a sledgehammer to it.
We reached out to the Trump-endorsed Republican frontrunner for that seat, Michael Whatley, for comment on Cooper's remarks. A campaign spokesperson said in a statement, quote, Medicaid funding in the OBBB cuts illegal aliens, people fraudulently double-dipping in multiple states, and able-bodied adults between the ages of 19 to 64 who don't want to look for a job. Roy Cooper wants illegal aliens to get Medicaid, and Michael Whatley doesn't. People who are not in the country legally are not eligible for Medicaid, but some Republicans think that some slipped through the cracks. Now, other members of that roundtable who were here today, including Cooper's former DHHS Secretary Cody Kinsley, also spoke about their concerns about that bill and what it will mean for health care for North Carolinians. Live in Raleigh, Monica Casey, WRAL News.